Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Sammy and this is Harley's Dollhouse. So I've been wanting to make a doll inspired by cottagecore. I absolutely fell in love with the aesthetic and I've been looking around on Pinterest of different outfits and photography ideas, and I love all the pretty dresses that I see the models wear, and I love the pictures of just laying in the meadow, picking flowers. I don't know. I really love it. It's super adorable. So let's go ahead and get started on working on the doll. So for my base, I decided to use this bunny Blanc that I had in my stock box. I actually repainted her face a while ago, around when I first started on repainting dolls. So she's been sitting there for quite some time now. So I wanted to give her a whole new look since I feel like that I'm doing better with doll repaints. So let's go ahead and remove her face with 100% acetone. And now that she has a fresh, clean face, off camera, I went ahead and rerooted her some hair that I purchased from the Doll Planet. The color is called Sherbert Light Orange. It's a gorgeous orangey color and I absolutely love it, and it looks really good on her, I think. And I prepped her with some Mr. Super Clear UV flat cut, and after it dried down, it's time to work on her face. I'm going to fill in the whites of her eyes with my charcoal pencil and then start drawing out the waterline with the red watercolor pencil. And using a medium brown shade, I'm going to start filling out her eye wrinkles and drawing out the shape of her eyes. For her makeup, I wanted to keep it soft and natural looking, so I mostly used just browns to shade around her eyes, and I only used a tiny bit of black later on just to kind of shade around the eyelashes. So for her eye color, I decided to do green eyes because I thought that would complement her pretty orange hair. Once I'm happy with how her face is looking, I am going to use my black pencil and start defining the lines more and adding in her eyelashes and pupils. Instead of using pencils to color her lips, I am going to use a pastel instead. I have this pretty peachy shade. And for her hair here, I went ahead and give it a quick boil wash because we are going to give her spiral curls. So I found a tutorial on YouTube by TheDollBoy where he did these gorgeous spiral curls using straws. So you just basically wrap the hair around the straw and use another straw that you cut down the middle and you just slide that over on top. I hope I explained that well. I really tried. I'll leave the link down below for you guys so you could go check out the video for yourselves. Definitely was very helpful and I absolutely love how the hair turned out. Off camera, I boil washed her hair, and then after boil washing it, I dipped her hair in ice water to set the curls. So now let's go ahead and take them out. And look how pretty they are. They're so bouncy. I love them. I wish my hair would curl that good. And for her outfit, I made her this cute little dress. I already have a tutorial up for a dress style like this. I will leave a link down below for you guys. I found some cute little things off of AliExpress or AliExpress. I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but I found this cute little cardigan and these little bloomers and these little brown boots and some socks. I mainly bought them just to see what I could find on there that would possibly fit Monster High or Ever After High, and they fit her perfectly. I was really happy about that. So I will leave a link down below for you guys for all the little items that I found. And now time for the photos. Meet Ida, the little cute cottagecore girl. She likes to go around and run through the meadows and pick flowers. I thought Ida would be a really pretty name for her because I don't know, I just feel like it fits. So what do you guys think about her? I think she turned out absolutely adorable, and I really love that Sherbert hair. It's so pretty. Also, if you would like to purchase Ida, I will have her up on sale on my Etsy shop. And of course, as always, thank you for your love and support for my channel. It really does mean a lot to me. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Alright guys, I will see you next time. Bye!